We had some nice weather move in. Trees are looking pretty wild around here. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this pile back to there, kind of finish up what I didn't finish up the other day. This stuff is some hard stuff. Dang, this stuff is in there hard. think that's pretty good for now. That's just so darn hard. I'm gonna clean this up, call her a day. But yeah, pretty much dying. I think I'm running out of gas here. So please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bro's out in the winter wonderland. Hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Yeah, for whatever reason, I thought it was low gas again. This time, I'm thinking it might be the plugs at this point. And Jax is just sitting here wrenching the plugs out. We're gonna take a peek at those. I got some new plugs here. So 200 hours, I don't know if that seems like a lot or not, but you know, there's been a few times where I've probably put too much oil in it and had to burn that out. So maybe I just followed the plug is why it's kind of just sitting here dying and not wanting to stay starting. So we're gonna dive into that here and inspect the plugs, and we'll see if I got any info for you. Yeah, we got the one plug off here. Obviously that's a new one. That's the old one. I'd say that sucker looks cooked. I mean, rusted, whatever. We might just check to see if it's got spark, but obviously we're replacing plugs. So 200 hours, replace some plugs, or maybe sooner. But we'll pull the other one off. That's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to get to because these things and stuff in the way. I don't know how I'm going to navigate in there, but we're going to get that pulled and go from there. But for sure, that plug looks toast.
On NGK or
yeah, old Jack's getting this cleaned up. I just want to show you both those plugs. We'd swapped both of them.
They were both pretty bad.
I mean, yeah, maybe there was some life in these things,
but like not enough to start.
Yep, and then obviously I didn't choke or nothing. I put new plugs in, fired up like a dream. So 200 hours, like I mentioned, new plugs, and I don't see why it wouldn't be tip-top. And I wouldn't doubt, if you remember my one video maybe 10 or so hours ago when I was messing with the fuel filter, and that was gross. Maybe between the bad fuel filter, maybe some bad gas, maybe the plugs just getting a little old in age, maybe the plug started missing a little bit, and that was probably just in that realm of, you know, just starting to fail. So this one is obviously insanely easy to get to right there. This one was a little bit of a bear cat to get to. You kind of got to jimmy your hand in from here and there, but heck, excuse me, but heck, yeah, I know. I'm pretty pumped about that. Pretty simple fix. That was our first diagnosis. Was Jack said, "Hey, Dad, plugs." I'm like, "You think so?" Yep. Yeah, tip top. So yeah, back in action once again. The one thing I'm going to do, and I keep mentioning it, I need to change the oil on this. I checked it again. It level's good. Clarity's good. I will get to that, but yeah, just not right now. But anyway, I'm super glad we got that taken care of. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bro's out. All right, next day I'm gonna test the mini skid, see if it fires right up after the plugs are changed. And I had tested it obviously right after we swapped the plugs, and it fired up right away last night. So this is the first time testing it out today. Obviously I'll get it field tested. I don't see any reason why it just wasn't some old plugs. Like I said, there's 200 hours on them, I guess, to be expected. So let's just say 2 years, 200 hours. I say they made a pretty good run, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to retest it here, make sure it fired up, and go from there. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bro's out.